Hey there! In this tutorial, I will show you how to make use of your weekly budget sheets more effectively. When your paycheck rolls in, just head to that week's tab. Enter your income details. Set your payday, plan out your income and budget versus actuals. And pick a start date. All calculations begin from that date. Budgeting for categories like debt, expenses, bills, and savings becomes really easy from here. Here, you don't need to enter actual data directly. It will be automated through Transaction Tracker below. We'll be covering that in the next tutorial for your convenience. Here's something cool. The bill tracking notification feature. When a bill's due date is within the next 3 days, it'll automatically highlight in red. That way, you never miss a payment, and your future self says thank you. You have got the same for your subscription sections.